In this video, we'll show you how to install mods on Apex Hosting Minecraft server. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, if you want to install mods on your Apex Hosting server and you don't know where to start, I'll show you how to do it. So first things first, you need to buy the server. You can click the link in the description or pin in the comment to get started. Once you're here, you just pick a plan, check out, and they will spin up the server for you automatically. What's nice about Apex Hosting is that you don't have to mess with port forwarding, IP sharing, or any backend stuff. As soon as the server is ready, you'll get your login details. You can go to the panel on the top right and log in with your email and password. Alright, once you're inside the panel, we can get started. So first, let's download the mods. You can go to cursors.com and then go to the Minecraft section. Click browse all, and here just scroll down and look for the mods you want to download, or you can also use the search bar. Here I want to download this mod, Alex Mobs. Here I want to download this mod, so you can click on it to go to the page, and then you can go to the files tab. Now here you need to download the correct version. You can look through the game version it's available for. So for this mod, the latest one is 120.1, and also for the mod loaders, you're gonna decide which one you're gonna use. So let's download this one. The game version is 121.1, and the mod loaders is Forge or Neon Forge. Click the three dots on the right, hit download file, save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save and the download will start. After you finish downloading, you'll have it inside your downloads folder. So next we need to upload this to your server. Go back to your panel, and the first thing you need to do is to stop the server from running. And then you want to scroll down to game file section, click the drop down, and select your Minecraft version. You can select the vanilla one, but the good thing about Apex Hosting is that they have game file with mod loaders already installed. So you can scroll down and look for the one you want to download. Here, as you can see, there's Forge, Neo Forge, and also Fabric. So if you go back to the mods page, the game version that I downloaded was 121 and the mod loader is Forge. So in this case, I can select Forge 120.1. Hit change version. And then you can decide if you want to create a new world or use existing world. It's better to create a new world, so let's do that. And you can click restart now. Wait a bit for it to fully load. You can go to the console to see its progress. Once it's done, you're gonna hit stop to turn off the server. And now we can install the mod. So on the left tab, click on FTP file access and then type in the control panel password and you'll go to your server file. Here you're gonna look for a folder called mods. We're gonna install every mods here. We're gonna install the mods here. So just open up your downloads folder, and what you can do is drag and drop it to the mods folder drop down. So just like that, and it'll start uploading. Wait a bit. Once it's done, you can close this and go back to your main panel. Now you can start the server again, and after the server is running, everything is done. But to make sure there is no error after you install mods on your server, go back to the mod page you downloaded and read through the description. For example, here Alex Mobs requires Citadel to work. Now the installation process is gonna be the same, so make sure if there is any dependencies, install that mod and you're good to go. Now that everything is done, before you launch Minecraft, make sure you install all the mods on your server in your Minecraft client. We have a video on that. If you're not sure how to do it, just go ahead and check them out. So now let's launch Minecraft. Alright, I'm in the game now. Let's go to multiplayer and add the server. Type in the server name. And for the server address, you can go back to the panel and you're going to copy this number here. Just click copy, paste it into the server address, hit done. Now the server is added. You can hit join server. And as you can see, I have Tiger in my Minecraft server. So now just invite your friends to join the server and play the modded server together. And that's it.